Hi, this is Chris with Autoscope, and today we have a 2021 Porsche Macan coming in for a brake inspection. I just want to show you what we normally do on our complimentary multi-point when the car's in. We're going to take our flashlight and our brake pad gauge, and we're going to look at the outside pad and match it up with our thickness gauge for the brake pad. And so the outside pads are at 5 millimeters, which is getting close, but not absolutely necessary for repair. But with a brake inspection, a lot of times, especially on these high performance brakes, the inner pad's going to wear a little bit faster than the outer pad. So I'm going to show you on the other side what we do during a brake inspection. So when you come to Autoscope for a brake inspection, we're going to physically take the wheel off. We're going to inspect the whole brake system while we're here, look at the inner pad and the outer pad, and get a better determination of exactly what you need when it comes to brake pad wear or any kind of brake issues you have. So we determined that the outside pad's at 4 millimeters, and the inside pad is closer to 3 millimeters. And if you look here, you can actually see the sensor touching the rotor, which was causing the brake warning the customer's having on their dash. Once the sensor's contacting the rotor, it's time to replace your brakes. So at Autoscope, when we do our brake pads, we always recommend to do the brake rotors with it. With these European vehicles with high performance brakes, just putting pads on it will cause vibration issues or squeaks in the future, so we always recommend replacing the rotors with the brake pads.